Hello everyone, welcome back to BJ Tech channel. Here on this channel, we teach different tutorial how to make money online, different tools for working boy. If it's something you don't want to miss, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you join my Telegram channel for more free updates. We have free tools, we have free updates. You understand? There's different kind of crypto flashing method. Join our Telegram channel and you can also send me a DM on my WhatsApp. You see my WhatsApp, you can join my WhatsApp channel also. So in today's video, I want to teach you guys how you can connect your SOCKS5, how you can connect your PIA SOCKS5 as the app is no more showing the popular plan. What I meant as popular plan, if you go to your SOCKS5, PIA SOCKS5 app, like few days now, this has been happening. If you go to your Proxy list, if you go to your Proxy list, see, we know how the popular plan is no more reflecting for now. I know it's temporary issue because even that yesterday is not opening, some showing error, so maybe they are doing some upgrade. We don't know yet till then. But the only way you guys can connect to your PIA SOCKS5, you can use it, is the only way now is the long acting ISP. You know, this popular ISP, we always have something like this there. So the only way you can is buying the CD key. The CD key is different. You can see I have IPS on my balance. This CD key is different from CD key. The CD key for popular plan is different from CD key of long acting, and they have long acting ISP CD key. They have static ISP Proxy CD key. That all those ones, they are separate CD key stand. So but one, because all those, this long acting now is expensive than the normal one. This one is just normal SOCKS5 popular plan, but this long acting is another plan, understand, and it's expensive. If you need the CD key, DM me and get yours. So I want to show you guys how you can load it, how you can connect it. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, I will go to my this thing. Let me go to my SOCKS5 app, my SOCKS5 account. This is my account. If you haven't created account, you can create account, then you log in. Let me log in. So let me log in my account. Okay, it's already logged in. So let me start again. So once you're on this page, you just click on the three dots. Once you click on the three dots, you click on your email section. Once you click it, you then click on the three dots again, just like the way you load your first popular plan. So if you want to load the first popular plan, you see what we saw on that app. We saw the SOCKS5 Proxy. That is the popular plan. You see it on the app. That is popular plan. While the long acting, see the long acting, that is another plan. The static, which is another plan, you can see it on the app too. Also, you see it here, Proxy list. You see it, long acting and static ISP. So we are going for the long acting now. You understand? The only way you can use your black IPS for now. There's still another way. I'll be showing you guys the separate video. You understand? There's still another way. I have the video on my YouTube already. You understand? I have it. If you want to use your IPS, normal IPS, this normal IPS here, this normal IPS here, this normal IPS that we already have inside the app. This normal IPS, the normal plan, there's a way you use it. I'll drop the link of the video in the description. You should go and watch that video. You use an external app. You use an external app to access that. You understand? There's how you connect it. You generate the endpoint generator. You create a sub account. Then you configure your IP. I'll drop the link. Go and watch that video so that you know how to connect. Use your IPS to get access to it. But if you want to still use the main PIA SOCKS5 app, you should go for the long acting ISP CD key. So the other way now, there's another way. This normal SOCKS5 popular plan is still working on system. If you are using system, this is still working on the system. So you can go and check it on the system. It's only the app that the SOCKS5 popular plan is not displaying but it's still working on the system and it's still working if you use the external app, which I will drop the link of the video in the description. So now let's continue on the long acting ISP. So once you click on long acting ISP, it's just like loading that then your normal CD key. So I'll just paste it, you understand? This is the CD key, then confirm it. So you can see I just load like 5 IPS, just like normal loading of IPS for your normal distance. So now what I will do now, once I load it, let me go to our listing. You see, let me close it. You see the balance, it will reflect there. You see it now. Go to Proxy, click on Proxy. You can see the 5 ISP here at long. If you check the popular plan, you see I have 27 IPS. The long acting ISP, you can see the 5 listing here. So if you want to connect now, go to the Proxy list as usual. Then instead of the popular plan, you go to the long acting ISP. So in this long acting ISP, I want to check if you have normal this thing, Comcast cable. I want to check, sorry, Comcast cable communications LLC. So okay, it's there. Okay, it's not there, there's another type. Let's check the Verizon business. Like they have different, let me check whether Verizon business is there. Okay, it's not there. So like we have to work with the one. Let's check, let's use this conjet communication. Let's see, let's try one of it. Let's try the conjet communications LLC. Let me just search it. Conjet communications LLC. Let's see whether we see New York. It's not even displaying New York. Let's just try and connect first, because this is my first time of using this long acting ISP. So let me click it. So once you click it, as usual, it's done. Then you just click on the toggle button. So once you click on the toggle button, you can see it shows connected. So we are connected to the plans. You understand? So this is it. You can see now. Today is 30. Okay, it's just like the normal one. Understand? No, this is popular plan. Okay, this is the log outing plan. It's just like normal. It's still 24 hours it will expire. So just like the normal one. So like this now, we are connected. To confirm if you are connected, we go to our browser and check the word.net. Understand? Let's check the word.net. So let's check if this thing, you can see now. You can see. So it's going. You can see we are connected to United States already. So if you enjoyed this video so far, please kindly like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, because it's not easy to gather information about this SOCKS5. You understand? So if you haven't joined my Telegram, please kindly join the WhatsApp channel so that you won't miss my update. Thank you guys. See you next in my next video. Bye.
Stay tuned for more tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe.